Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, can you apply for a driving license online? And the answer is yes, you can apply, including you can apply online in many countries, including India, through the official government websites or portals. You have to visit the official website of the transport department or licensing authority in your state or country. Complete the online application form with your personal address details. Upload scanned copies of required documents such as proof of identity, address, and age. Pay the application fee online using a credit, debit card, or net banking. Benefits of applying online are convenience, faster processing, and you can track the status of your application online. Also, reduced paperwork, which minimizes errors. What are the required documents you need? You need proof of identity. You need proof of address. You need proof of age. What is the best course of action? Is to ensure you are using the official website of the Transport Department or licensing authority. Follow instructions carefully and track your applications.